Hey Becky, okay, I just finished up on your kit. Basically, this is our demo poll that when we put it on to send information for the customers. Um, this will be the bottom mounting plate if you want to go that route, or if you want to go with the um, umbrella stand, I'll send you the information. I'll send you all these informations how to mount it to the pole, and that where to get the pole, what type of pole, and all that. Um, this is the transformer box. It's not weatherproof, so make sure you don't leave it out in the rain if you're going to store it outside. Um, Pole is 1 5/8 galvanized fence posts. You can get any local hardware store or lumberyard like Lowe's, Ace, uh, Home Depot, and that. This will be the crossbar that you'll be mounting on. What you'll do is drill a hole, and the paperwork will show you how far up from the base, and then you'll be drilling a hole for the bottom. If you're going to do an umbrella stand, put the pole in the umbrella stand, see where the hole you'll be drilling. So usually each umbrella stand's quite high, so instead of putting the hole down in the base, you'll be mounting it up higher. And what that is for the power cable from the transformer box. The wiring that you'll be doing is fairly simple, and like it says, I did the slide on bell system, and the wiring is fairly simple. Basically, you're gonna mount this setup, and this will be the plug for the top. You're going to run this cord that'll be in the kit. The cord is with the 2 prongs. Once you drill the hole and use the grommets that'll be in the kit, you take and run this loom through the hole and up the pole and out the top, and then hook up your connector with the wiring loom. The connector is this, fairly simple. You just slide it in, the red wire and the black wire, slide it up, and it'll click in place, and that'll be for this connector here. So that'll be this loom here that you'll be connecting in here once you slide it up. You're going to remove the wire here, and I indicated on the connector red with the red color, black with the black color. You're going to remove that wire, and you're going to slide it through here down, and you're going to go out the bottom hole and then connect it into the transformer box just like it shows. So that'll be that wiring. So you'll have 2 wires to hook up, one for the bell that'll go up through the pole, and one going down through the pole. I'll send you the information for the pole, how to mount the plastic base if you're going to use that, or if you use the umbrella stand. So I'll send you the information on that. Amazon has all this. The drill for it, and the indication for the depth of the drill, how far you're going to go in. So you'll have 2 holes you'll do. One for the base, depending on if you're going to do it without the umbrella stand. If you don't do the umbrella stand and you mount the base on, and I'll send you the video how to do that, it's fairly simple. And you can use a piece of plywood, Home Depot, Menards, any of those type have plywood already cut out, like a 4x4, and use carriage bolts. I'll show you that information too. I'll send you. This is for the sign for the clamps that mounts up here, and that's your railroad crossing sign. When you mount it, you'll see it's a cross figure, and take a look at the picture, but on the back side I have tape. So if you line the tape up, you'll see where the two pieces of tape will line up, so if you got the sign on correct. This is your wireless remote. So basically, A button turns it on, B, if you hit the B, and it's going to be loud. Hit the B again, shut it off. If you want to have it a little bit quieter, you'll see a striker down here. Excuse me, striker up here. You can do the bell either direction. It's like it says, it's a slide-on adapter. It slides on the pole, so if you want to have striker up top or a striker on the bottom. If you're going to run it outside, I recommend putting the striker at the bottom, because water will get into the hole up here. So if you're running it outside, have the striker to the bottom. When we mount it to the pole, we always put it to the bottom, and then the customer won't have to worry about it. But we do these slide-on brackets now. It's easier to install instead of trying to mount a kit on your own. But if you run the bell and the lights, you want to run them both together, hit A button. It shuts both off. Or just shut the B back off. So I was trying to get it finished up and get it out for today's shipment. It'll be out in tomorrow's shipments, which is Wednesday. So, but if you have any questions when you do get it, feel free to email us or text us with our business cell phone, and we can help you out. This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. Thank you.